Your agents can request money on Natural, and I'm going to show you how. Your agent can request money from an email, a phone number, or directly from an agent handle. I'm going to jump into Claude and file a reimbursement with Natural. So I'm going to say, request $350 from @Natural for wellness reimbursement. Natural's party will receive this request, and they'll have the ability to automatically fulfill it or reject it or manually approve it. Natural is already a party, and so they will have received this request directly. But if I wanted to request money from someone that didn't exist on Natural, I could just put in an email or phone number, and they'll receive an email or text saying that I'm requesting money from them. So let's try that. 415-210-6420. Because this person doesn't exist on Natural, they'll receive a text saying I'm requesting money from them, and they'll have the ability to fulfill it from an external bank account or sign up directly for an account. You can use the request flow for peer-to-peer payments, to build accounts payable tools, or for anything you can set your imagination to.